Hi guys! Today we're gonna video Cutie in her new cage.
Hi!
You like your swing, Cutie? You're very happy in your new cage?
Hi, Cutie! Hi! Hi, everyone!
You like your cage, Cutie? And here's Handsome.
Handsome is cleaning his feathers down there.
Hi, Handsome. Want to say hi to everyone? Handsome just finished taking a bath in the sink. Yeah, he loves water.
Cutie is cleaning her feathers too.
Yeah, and Handsome, no? Because he feels fresh.
Yeah, we just took Handsome a bath,
In the
guys.
sink. Yeah, he likes he likes to take a bath in the sink.
Yeah, we took him a bath.
And then he splashed us all the water.
Yeah, and that's so fun.
I'm all soaking wet.
Me too.
My clothes, yeah. He likes to splash. Look, he's cleaning his feathers now.
Yeah, so he feels furry again, like fluffy, like a birdie.
Oh, now he fly. Yeah. Want to go to the swing? Can go to the swing.
Cutie's on the swing, look.
Oh yeah, Cutie here.
Yeah, and Handsome there.
And Handsome here. Like Spider-Man.
Hi.
Oh, Ardin there.
I'm a bird.
Oh.
If I am an animal, I would be a bird because, like, people will take care of me and they'll do a big home like that one, and like they're gonna big cage, and like if I'm a bird, I would play and they would buy me toys. So that's why I want to be a bird, because yes.
You like to fly, and it's so
yeah,
cute.
I like to fly because if I fly, I can see the whole world, and I wish to fly.
Yeah, let's see what Handsome's doing. Oh, he's in the swing. And Cutie too. Hi, Cutie.
Hi.
You like your swing? Oh, Handsome is busy cleaning his feathers.
Cutie likes the swing.
Yeah, they both have swing. Yeah.
Yeah.
You like to clean your feathers, Handsome?
Yay!
Yeah. We love you.
Aww,
We
we're
love
having so
you,
much fun.
Handsome and Cutie.
Cutie will play with the stick, maybe. Cutie, do you want to play with the stick? Yay!
Oh yeah, Cutie likes some sticks.
Yeah. Handsome, do you want a stick too? Yeah, let me try. Handsome.
He's busy cleaning his feathers.
He doesn't mind.
Cutie said he wants more. She wants
Okay,
more.
Cutie. Are you sure? Yay!
He likes to bite, to bite the sticks.
He's gonna bite every day. He loves sticks. Handsome is still cleaning his feathers.
Yeah, he feel fresh. He wants to make sure. He wants to make sure his all feathers very clean and.
Yeah, I saw Cutie. He
Wow,
stretched again.
stretch, no? He likes to stretch.
Yeah. Aww, Cutie is so cute and also handsome. Ooh, Cutie! You're touching the perch. You're touching the perch. Oh, you have a big tummy. Ew. How much you gonna do? How much you gonna do? Cutie is so cute, right?
Yeah, super cute.
When we ask something to handsome, he like nodded his head and he said yeah. And then when we do reading time, Cutie likes to listen to the books, and also handsome and Cutie, when I read the real books, they go in my page.
Yeah, he likes. No, he likes to listen to when I read books
Yeah.
to you. She always come there in my lap
Yeah.
and listen to the
Yeah,
story.
they always
and
follow us.
And she fell asleep.
Yeah, she like.
Yeah, I think you like a bedtime story, Cutie.
Yeah, I do like bedtime story. Yay! Aww. They look like tired.
Yeah, it's busy cleaning feathers.
Clean, clean, clean. Clean all the feathers. Clean, clean, clean. Clean all the feathers. And Handsome is cleaning his feet.
Oh, what happened, Mango and Fluffy?
Mango and Floppy super high.
Yes, very high.
Here, let me get chair. Hi. Say hi.
Hi, Fluffy.
Here's Jasmine.
Oh, hi. Hi,
Say hi.
Jasmine.
Hi.
Where did you came from?
I came from Jakarta. In the room.
In the room.
Yeah.
You want to say hi to the viewers, Fluffy?
Yeah, they're super high. Hi. You're super high up there. Yeah, very You're very high. You're too high. You're too high.
Say hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Fluffy. And Mango is behind you. Let's check Mango.
I'm gonna hide. Jasmine's hiding in the blinds. Hi, Mango. And I see Mango.
There's Fluffy.
See Mango. I see Mango.
Oh, it's flying.
Okay, let's go back to Cutie and Mango.
Hi, Fluffy.
After Fluffy.
You like it there? You like your playtime?
We were planning to name Fluffy's
Splashy, because she likes water. She likes water.
Yeah, but we like just to get used to Flappy. So yeah, we're gonna go Flappy.
Oh, Fluffy, go back
Okay,
to
let's
the...
go. Now.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
He likes
now there
blinds.
they are. Yeah. Say that.
How's
Okay.
Cutie and
Oh,
we're still
they're
cleaning feathers.
They're super busy.
Busy cleaning feathers.
Yeah, handsome too. Hi.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Till next time.
Make sure.
Don't forget to
Don't
like and
forget to
subscribe to our
like and subscribe to our
channel.
channel. Bye.
Have a great day, guys. We love you all.